Kuruithia ciana cia tuiritu guku bururi-ini ni ciiko ikoretwo ikihitanwo nacio ni thirikari ukirikana ni mugaru na watho kuona ni ugwati kuri ugima wao wa mwiri na ningi ni unduire muhetuke ni mahinda. Atumia a arithia a mahiu kuma kundu gutiganite ni amwe a aria mekiriire ndeto ino igimaine na uruthia wa tuiritu. Murugamiriri wa gikundi kia atumia Laikipia ya Rugongo Josephine Dirius uria warite hindi ya muthi wa kuhura na uruithia wa tuiritu augite ni wega kunyita guoko andu na aria managerera giko-ini giki niguo matigakorwo magitabania giko giki kuri njiarwa ciao. O augite kumana na kugerera ruo ruingi ni ndeto irurumuraga ruo ngoro-ini ciao.
I always believe that you can only give what you have. So the survivors in our community, these are people who have gone through a lot of pain. You went through FGM at a very tender age without, of course, your consent. Quite a number of them have gone through forced marriages and a lot of humiliation that are there in these marriages, especially in the pastoralist community. So for us, what we are doing as an organization is creating an opportunity for the survivors to heal the pain they have in their hearts so that they have peace and be in a position to be able to save their daughters and their next generation.
Kiama kia athuri mwena uyu maugite ni unduire uratuma iroto cia ciana ciao cia airitu ihotome, akiuga o mari athuri ni mekunyita mbaru atumia hari kampeini ya kuhurana na uruithia wa ciana ciao cia airitu.
Leo tuko mkutano ya kuhusu ukeketaji ya watoto na tumepitisha kuwa hatutaki tena, sababu kukeketa msichana hakuna maana. Tunaongea kuhimiza wananchi kina mama zaidi, sababu sisi tukiwa wasee tumekubali hiyo maneno kabisa. Tumekubali, tumepitisha, hata tumeweka sahihi kabisa.
Mubuge Sara Korere augite ni akenereire uria muingi wa Laikipia uhimbiirie ugaruruku uyu, akiuga no meguthie na mbere na guthomithia muingi hatherere yumanaga na unduire uyu uria ni muhetuke ni mahinda.
I'm happy because in Laikipia we have people who are embracing change. And if you look around me today, we even have elders, which was unheard there before, who have come out to say that they support the ending of FGM in our community.
Haduini Hakeo TV, Jeta Wairimu, Wawajiru.